This is our computer lab where we learn Python and coding through Qubit curriculum.
We have also created website for Nirmal tourism, which we named as Explore Nirmal, which focuses on the tourism and visiting places in the Nirmal district. So this helped us to learn website creating and teamwork.
As part of learning, we have created useful apps like Helping Hands Nirmal and Nirmal Blood Info Hub. We have created these apps by using Thunkable. These apps are also available in Play Store. We have created such apps because to support people in need. The hackathon exam, where we worked as teams and shared our innovative ideas using technology. And computer learning developed my logical thinking, creativity, and digital skills for my future education and career in a digital world. Creating models in Tinkercad improves my creativity and imagination.
Making animations in Scratch helps improve my logical